Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very simple video, a very short one. I hope that comes out short. Let's see. You will know before me, but yes, anyways. So I've decided I will film a very small, easy, deep clean face scrub tutorial. I haven't decided the name yet, whatever name the title, that's what I've decided. So yes, this is basically a deep clean for your face because my skin has been feeling very oily and gunky. You know that feeling when even though you're like doing your night routine or whatever routine, like washing your face regularly, but after a point your skin just feels like oily and then you feel gunky. I don't know how to explain that feeling, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you can relate. If you don't, you have healthy skin, child. Yeah, so I've been feeling like that. So I'm just like, oh yeah, I haven't done this in a long time, and I'm like, I can also film this. So yes, here it is. Yeah. So this is how I do it. It's just simple. It's like one step majorly, then like maybe yeah, it's just 2 steps, I guess, max 2 steps. Yes, 2 steps, and yeah, let's jump into the video. So as a first step for the deep clean, I go in with a regular face wash of mine, not a scrub. I, as usual, have my face wash. This is the Apple face wash by Westside. It just says Studio West here, nothing else. So I would prefer you to just dab your face, not dry. That would be a little on the wet side. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but my face is a little wet. Next step. So yes, the next step is scrubbing your face. This is the deep clean. This is something I do once a month, as I've already mentioned. So yes, I have the St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. This is a very deep cleansing, deep exfoliation factor scrub, as it mentions at the back here. See, it says deep. This is actually the deal, guys. So yes, this. I will. Oh, my face not wet again. Make sure your face is wet enough. Since we're going for a deep clean, I would generally. I know it looks like a lot, but you will understand. Again, your face shouldn't be fully dry because this might hurt with your face fully dry. I think took a little too much, but yes, about that much. Then I think I will do my neck also. Then yes, just go in directly, dot your face, go into my neck because I have a little too much today, and yes, circular motions. Start scrubbing your face. So circular motion keeps scrubbing your face for around 1.5 minutes. Make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies of your face. The ones that we usually tend to forget are this area. Don't know why a lot of people do forget that. Not this, but yes, this area and this area. Yes, so keep scrubbing. You will see it drying away. Let it dry, it's fine. It's just the soap drying away, it's fine. The major thing is the molecules that you find in the scrub. I don't know if you can see them on my hands, but yeah, those molecules, that's what's scrubbing your face. People call this a dry scrub, facial. I've heard so many names, but I just call it a deep clean scrub. Yeah. Yes, and in the end you will look like a typical Bollywood ghost. Somewhat like this. This is after like 1.5 minutes or a minute, whichever gets you to this state earlier. Is it a minute and a half or this state? Whichever, that's when you know you can stop. And I will go rinse this off. I will be back in 3, 2, 1. Yes, so I'm back. I just washed my face. Also, when you're washing your face, make sure you like scrub it all off. You will see a lot of it sticking here. You will see even more of it sticking in your hands and your wherever. All of this. So yes, and I hope you washed your hands before you touched your face in the beginning, because always skincare should start with you washing your hands and end with you washing your hands once again before going to sleep. Now, since I wash my face again, always dab your face dry. I dab my face dry with the same cotton towel that I had with me. And next step, a lot of people feel like a burning sensation. Your face will feel a little warm because you've worked like literally. When you see scrubs like this or like any scrubs per se, they're literally the shells. The apricot inside has a shell and all of that, right? Those shells are crushed up and put in with whatever their formula is for the face wash. So when that like nicely created friction on your skin, you will feel warm. Your face will feel warm for some. Yes, it's natural. Don't worry, your skin will feel so smooth after this, guys. Trust me, it's not like those smooth feelings that will just last for like 20 minutes, 5 minutes. That this lasts for like a long time. You will see a difference. Again, I've been doing this for almost a year now. Yes, so the next step after this, a lot of people prefer going in with an ice cube. Also, when I say going in with an ice cube, I mean take an ice cube from the tray. I hope it's drinking water that you've put in the ice tray. Please don't be those nasty people who put tap water. Please. Huh. So take an ice cube and take the naked ice cube and just run it around in circles. Just cool your face down if you're feeling scared because it's all heated up. It's fine. It's completely natural. It's just your skin is active and it's awake. Yeah, that's how it's feeling. And then after that, after an ice cube, it's optional. It's completely optional. You don't have to go in with it. You can go in with it. There's nothing wrong if you do. Next thing I do is my trusted old rose water that I've decanted into this pump thingy. So I just take in a couple of sprigs of that. Just a couple, 10, 20, 30. And oh, I do know a lot of people who place their rose water in the fridge as well. It's a really cool feeling again. But that doesn't mean you have to like make rose water ice cubes. Don't do that. You can always put like a rose water thing container in the fridge and like to keep it cool. But I don't want to run around when doing all this. I like having everything in one place so that I won't feel lazy and skip a step or whatever and just do that. So I have it with me here. But if you're that person who has the kitchen right next to their room or bathroom or whatever, you can go ahead and do that. So yes, I put in some ice water and that's about it. That's how I deep clean my face. This is something I do just once a month, or if I think I've put on like too much makeup in that month's time, or if you're someone who put makeup every day for their profession, or they're just like that. You went to college, there's nothing wrong. You can use this maybe like 15 days once. You can do this to your face 15 days once, but then I would recommend you to reduce the number of times you use scrub in a week less. Like if you're doing it 3 times, just do it twice and then you can do this once in 15 days, because it's not very good to use a scrub that regular. Like I said, the apricot shells that are there, they will make your skin like grandma porcelain skin. It is not very good. So yeah, if you're a person who's using a scrub like this kind of deep cleaning scrub on a daily basis, please stop, honey. Don't. You will spoil your skin. You will have tight skin. All your pores will be closed. We do not want that. We want like nice skin who will accept treatment. By treatment, I don't mean going to a dermat and getting anything done. Not that that's wrong. Just anything like this that goes into your skin, not just sits on it and then dries off. No, anything that your skin will soak in. If you're a person who's doing that, please don't. Please don't. Thank you. yes, that's about it. I also know people. This is something again I do in the nights that my skin like get time to calm down, cool down, have some time of its own to like cool down. I'm saying cool down too many times. So I will do this in the night and go to sleep. You can also do another thing. You can use a sheet mask. I don't have a sheet mask with me right now here. Pretty sure it's lying there somewhere. You can also like put on a sheet mask and yeah, that will also help. But after this, all the goodness of the sheet mask can get in. A sheet mask video is something that will come out soon on my channel also. So yes, that's about it. So that was about it for this video. I hope you liked it. Hope you can incorporate something of this or just this one thing that I've shared into your skincare routine. It's something that helps me tremendously. I will not have to like, I've never gotten done any face treatments. It's just things like this that I do. I'm just that person who puts on like home face pack stuff that your mom like takes like, your skin is looking horrid, please use this. Yes, I'm that kid like, but still do it because she will make sure I do it. But not saying that that is bad. You can do it. This is also something I do. So like, share, comment, subscribe. You can always ping me on Instagram or leave a comment here, ask me a question, tell me what you want to watch and all of the yada yada. That's about it.